Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a SharePoint site. So a SharePoint site is used for collaboration between teams and also for displaying or for sharing information. So you have a team site and a communication site. But for this video, I'll be creating the team site and I'll be using the team site for development purposes using the Microsoft Power Platform. So if you are interested in Power Platform, kindly subscribe to this channel as we'll be delving deeper into building flows with Power Automate, apps, Power Apps and chatbots, integrating these apps together to achieving a full application using low code, no code. So thank you very much and let's jump straight into the video. All right, so this is a Microsoft 365 organization. This is a a developer account I'm using. So to create a SharePoint site, or to create a SharePoint site, you click on this button, right, and you click on SharePoint. If you don't find SharePoint in this list, just go to click on all apps and you find SharePoint in it. So let's create a SharePoint site. So click on the SharePoint site to be open. So I have these three SharePoint sites here. So so this is the SharePoint site I have. So if I go to create sites, so as I said earlier, you have a team site and a communication site. So these are some of the information regarding the teams and the communication. So I'll click on a team site and I'll give the team the site a name. So which name should I give it? I'll say Power Platform from Tunes. Power Platform Tunes. Power Platform Tunes, right? Power Platform Tunes. So this is a Power Platform Tunes site. I'll give any description. The site is set to English. I like it to be a private site. I don't want to be if I have someone within my organization, I don't want this site. I don't want them to view the site. I want it to be private, only me. I can decide to add someone to it if I want. So let it be set to private, and I hit and I click on next. So let's say I should add members, and since it's creating the site, I don't like to add any members for now. So I'll create one finish. So this is finish. Right, so this is a Power Platform Tunes. So this is a site, so we can decide to change the template of the site. So yes, so I like the default site like that, the default the template you are using. So you can browse more templates. Yeah, I like the default templates, so you can decide to use this one, this. So there are many of them here. So depending on which one you want, I'm used to the default one, so I'll make sure to stick with it. So that's it. So I'll just click. So for my organization, if my organization have any default templates, I can go ahead and use that. My organization doesn't have this, so I'll just click out of it. So I say click out of it. So this is a SharePoint site. So you can come if you want to create a new list, a document library, page, and all that. So there are many things you can build it with the team site. So let's create a SharePoint list. So SharePoint list as it acts as a like a database for storing tests and all that. So I'll click on the list, and I'll say from an existing list or from Excel. So I'll say from a blank list. So from the blank, I'll say events registration. Yes, event registration form. So form. This is not the form. I just named it as a form. So event registration form in the sense that I'll be storing event registration data in it, right? Which will be my upcoming video. No information, no description. I want to show this site in the site navigation. So I'll click on create. So So I've created it, and so by default, so it's giving me what I should do here and all that. So I'll just close out of it. So I think I'll be doing this in my upcoming video, where I'll be showing you guys how to create, how to build a Power Automate flow to store data from a form. After that, then to send an email to the user when the form is submitted, or to that attendee when the form is submitted. So I'll end here. So thank you very much. So this is how to create a SharePoint site. I've created this within like 30 seconds. I created it. So this is how to create a SharePoint site. So thank you very much, and make sure to like the video if you like the video, if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe to the channel. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video.